This woman is scared of her parrot. It keeps on repeating the phrase, "I'm not gonna hurt you," but then tries to attack the woman at the end of the video. A lot of people think it's because the parrot was abused by a previous owner, but what do you think?
So strong. You're so strong.
What's the matter?
I don't want you to bite me.
No, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh.
Oh,
You're so sweet. No, baby.
what's your problem, darling?
No, I love you. I just said,
Oh,
I think we just need some time before we do that, okay? See, that's why.
what's the matter?
I still think you're gonna bite me.
No,
I'm sorry.
okay.
See? That's why. See? You scared me. You tried to hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
But you tried to.
Darling.
You tried to just now, Barley.